Pype helps you build, manage, and improve your prompts on a regular basis. It keeps your prompts reliable in production so that you do not have to spend more engineering effort in continuously re-engineering those prompts or building an entire analytics for how your prompts are performing, right? So for example, let's say one of your GPT prompt is in production and it is tagging all your emails into buckets like disappointment, escalation, angry, and factual. In this dashboard, when you land, you can see what are the different errors that have come, what is the running accuracy of your prompts, what are the total tokens that have been consumed, the cost of it, and then also you can look at the precision recall by each bucket, right? What is the bucket based, what is the class based precision recall. It also provides you traces, like you can actually look at these emails, right? And you can look at what was the output of this email and why that output came, right? Explanation around it. Pype lets you, all these traces are actually called to your OpenAI endpoint, right? Now, Pype provides you a way to enrich these logs with user or system or car features or data, right? You can add the city, you can add rental days, you can add number of emails in the thread, for example, right? Anything that helps you visualize your data. Now you can slice and dice based on car model, based on age, based on rental days, all of these things. Further to it, now let's say if you think that okay, this particular example should have been escalation for some reason, you can say it was incorrect and say should be escalation, right? Because should be escalation because, let's say, because legal implication, right? As simple as that. Now I can submit this review, right? Now this review gets submitted and you get a human feedback that it is incorrect. Now based on these incorrect countings and also based on automated quality checks that our Pype does, we help you update your precision recall on a regular basis so that you can get a time series of your precision recall, how they have been performing, right? Now once you say that okay, your precision recall has dipped a lot below your threshold that you had of any class, for example, you can use Pype to enhance your prompts. Now that you have evaluated how your prompts are doing in production and or on a regular basis, you can keep a track of you can keep monitoring your performance. You can then go and enhance your prompts. Enhance your prompts takes you to a playground. Now this playground in itself can be used for building all your prompts for any use case, whether it be text classification or generation or chatbots, anything, right? Now this entire builder gives you a lot of tools how you can improve the prompt, but it also has our own agents that can improve your prompts based on whatever annotations you did or whatever metrics that it by itself looks and by the quality checks that it does by itself, right? Now based on these, for example, either you can go ahead and try different prompt techniques. Like you can say, okay, these are the prompt techniques that I want to try. You can click on enhance your prompt. Now enhance your prompt actually looks at the annotations that you have done, the quality metrics that we've got, and then different prompt techniques that you've selected, and then other few short examples if you have provided, and all those things, and it looks at all those things and creates a holistic prompt. It optimizes on the accuracy, that your current accuracy that you've got, and then you can also see how it is performing against your annotated data. So let's say if you had said something incorrect and it was, let's say, escalation or something else, it will help you understand okay how you're performing on those examples, right? You can play with different model parameters. You can do all of those things, but always remember your the tests that run on historical data, so that if you do some changes in prompt, it ensures that it does not mess up what was working earlier, right? So it helps you do all of those things also. Now you can maintain different versions through this. You can actually add collaborators in your project. Now different collaborators all the collaborators will have access to your prompts. You can control how they have access. They have read access, they have write access, and all of those things. And then you can actually look at different versions that you have created. Now all of the team can look at different versions that have been created by an engineer, for example, and you can decide okay which is better based on the class accuracy, the details that is got, right? And then you can go ahead and easily publish it into production. Now all you have to do is publish into production. This is the SDK. This would already be there, for example. And the project token will also be there. So you just have to click on publish and it will replace the old prompt with the new prompt, and all the analytics will start happening on the new prompt that we have, right? Now one more feature that Pype provides you is custom metrics. Now you can add custom metrics. For example, you want to add some qualitative metrics like for example, you want to email tagging, or you want to tag emails, customer industry, for example. This can be one metric, right? So what is the customer industry that you've got? You can tag your emails with that. You can also do all of these qualitative understandings, like from here only you can actually tag level of frustration, for example, right? So now you're getting escalation, but then you can add further metrics like what was the level of frustration. Now this gets created as a different variable in your data, and it can be used for further workflows that you've got, right? Now you can select your workflow, you can add criteria, what level of frustration means, you can create it, and it starts running. It gets created as an event and starts running on all the new logs that you get. Hope it helps you understand how Pype works and how Pype can holistically manage all your prompts, all your workflows that are dependent on LLMs. And yeah, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Like, we are actively adding features to improve Pype. We recently added features like the custom metrics that you see here, and then also how you can add the annotated logs to improve your prompts continuously. So yeah, do let us know how we can help you.